In this video, we are going to discuss about the basic concepts of OOPS. So the topic is various features of object-oriented programming. Object-oriented programming or Java OOPS concept refers to the programming language that uses object in programming. There are various characteristics of object-oriented programming, and those are: first one, abstraction; second one, objects and classes; third one, encapsulation; fourth one, inheritance; fifth one, polymorphism. First one, abstractions. So the abstraction hides unnecessary details and shows only the relevant information. It allows the user to interact with the system without knowing its internal implementation. So this is called as an abstraction. In that abstraction, if you take an examples of student, so we have to create the class name is students, and then the students have int roll, students having the roll number and then name, then public void input and then void display. The class contains data fields and then methods to represent the data fields and then represent the data field and methods. Second one, object. An object is an instance of a class. It represents a real world entity with state, that is fields or attributes, and behavior methods. Objects are created based on the blueprint, then what they are stored in the heap memory. The declaration of objects are class name, object name. Example, fruit F1, that F1 is an object, fruit is a class name. Third one, class. A class in Java is a blueprint for creating objects. It defines the properties, fields or attributes, and then behavior, methods, the objects of a class. The syntax of classes is class, name of the class, open braces, private variable declaration, and then function declaration, public variable declaration, and then functions declarations. This private and then public are the access specifier. We have to create only the class, methods, and object. We have to create public and private keywords, so we can access the some data or informations from the class. Fourth one, encapsulation. Encapsulation is a process of hiding the internal details of a class and only allowing controlled access through the public methods. Encapsulation means binding of data and methods together in a single entity is called as a class. The data inside the class is accessible by the function in the same class. It is normally not accessible from the outside of the component. Encapsulation in Java is a process of wrapping code and data together in a single unit. So this is called as an encapsulation. In the encapsulation, the methods and then data are binded in a single entity. In that class, we have to bind the single entity. We have to hide the data in a single entity. Fifth one, inheritance. A class that is derived from the another class is called as subclass. The class from which the subclass is derived is called as superclass. Inheritance allows a child class to reuse the properties and methods from the parent class. Types of inheritance. First one, single inheritance, multi-level inheritance, hierarchical inheritance. Next slides. Sixth one, polymorphism. Poly means many and then morphism means structure. So polymorphism means it takes the many forms, is called as polymorphism. Polymorphism means those methods to perform different tasks. This allows us to perform a single action in different ways. There are two types of polymorphism. One is in compile time polymorphism, second one is in runtime polymorphism. For example, method clean is used to clean a dish object, one that cleans a car object and one that cleans a vegetable object. So it allows to perform single actions in different ways. So the single actions means clean is in single action, it will perform the different ways. So this is called as in polymorphism. Next slide, applications of OOPS. The applications of object oriented programming are code reusability, simple troubleshooting, prevents data reliability, modularity, code maintenance, code security, scalability, extendability and problem solving ability. Thank you.